Airbnb market and property research explained in 30 seconds or less. So once we get to AirDNA, guys, this is how you do market research, okay? So what I did was I typed in Miami, Florida here, okay? That tells me there's 14,000 people, all these purple over here, that are actually Airbnb. But is that a bad thing? No, that means there's a lot of demand. Now, how do we find the right place? You see here? Studios have some room. One bedrooms look like they're saturated. You got room in the 2s, 3s, and 4s. Okay, so I'm gonna find a 2-bedroom over on Zillow, and then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come over to Rentalizer, and what I'd like to do is I'm gonna type in an address here that I already found on Zillow. It was for rent. I'm gonna go here to search. So you just go to Rentalizer and go to search. It's gonna pop in the property. Okay, this is gonna tell me that this property has a 65% occupancy. What we're looking for, guys, is anything over 60%, okay? Average daily rate is over $200, and it tells us that the revenue on this property, based on the comps, okay, other people right there in the area, you can see the subject property is the blue one, the purple are the comps. So AirDNA takes the comps and says the average person is doing $52,000 in gross revenue. So what you do is divide that number by 12, and that'll let you know, okay, cool, if you divide that by 12, how much is that over the actual rent of the place, of the property right here, okay? So when you find it on Zillow, then you'll compare it and go, okay, does this make sense or not? This is basically how to do property and research. Now, this particular property actually has a pool and a jacuzzi, and it's for under $2,000 a month. It's a steal. Guys, if you need help at all, type in the message, just put Airbnb help. Let me reach out. We'll set up a quick call and see if it's a good fit for us to work together, and I'll help you guys with the market research, property research, and I'll do one step further. Until you get your first deal, I'm going to do the property communication with the homeowners with you. So we'll set up a 3-way call. The 3 of us will get on a call, and I'll pitch the owners for you until you feel comfortable. I'll use my credibility, my background, and my Airbnbs so they can check me out, okay? That's what I want to do for you guys. Again, put it in the comments, put Airbnb help, and let me help you guys get this process started. Let's roll.